Hi, my name's Jae W. I'm the author of this book, Maximize Your Medicare, published in 2020. You know, this channel is much more than Medicare. That's why I've got hashtag much more than Medicare, because the reality is inside this channel is a logic, a set of thinking, ways to approach financial topics, which seem confusing. Actually, someone with common sense and your experience in real life, you can combine those and figure out pretty much anything. I try to go through and explain it. If you follow the videos, subscribe to the channel, you'll be able to figure it out too. It can be applied to any topic in your financial life. Financial literacy is probably too fancy a term. I don't like to use it. But the reality is, if you watch the videos and if you get the logic, you'll be able to analyze anything from Social Security to life insurance to health insurance, annuities, you name it, all follow some very basic logic. Subscribe to the channel, ask me your questions, leave your comments in the videos below. I'll be sure to be able to answer them quickly. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy.